If you have ADHD, congratulations. You have been blessed with a superpower, a gift from the universe, a spiritual blessing. So a lot of people with ADHD, they've been labeled to have like a dysfunction. But I'm here to tell you that you don't have a dysfunction. You have been gifted with the ability to hyper focus. You're not born to fit in because you were born to stand out. All your life you grew up, you felt like you were different. Your mind felt like it was scattered, it was hyperactive. You could think of so many different ideas, but you couldn't get to one destination. See, the problem with ADHD is that we are told that it's something that works against us, that it's a problem, it's a disorder. So we create this identity for ourselves that we're almost at a disadvantage in life. But I'm here to tell you that you actually are at more of an advantage than most people. You are not regular. That's why you don't fit into these systems and you like to be a rebel, you like to break rules, you question society because it doesn't make sense. You're not an NPC, you're not a robot. You don't fit into these normal systems that try to keep you boxed in a cage. Your mind wants to be free. So I'm gonna show you in this video how to change your identity, how to flip that label and actually make it work for you instead of against you. Because when you have ADHD, you have the ability to hyper focus. So there's times where you have like a spike in dopamine and you're super interested and you really want to get things done and you could focus for 10 hours straight, no distractions, you're locked in. And then there's times where it feels like you have a million tabs open on your computer and you don't know what place to start. You have all these ideas and you sit down and procrastinate. But once you understand how to control your mind, how to gain clarity, how to direct that focus and that energy, your mind is like a supercar and can get you to the destination. It can help you manifest and create the life in your reality and the vision that you have in your mind much faster than the average person. A lot of entrepreneurs, highly successful people have ADHD, but the thing is they've learned how to direct it and use it as a superpower in their life. I'm gonna break it down for you guys because I'm right now 30 years old and I wasn't aware that I had ADHD until this year, recently. So all my life I was always the class clown in school. I would get in trouble. I would question the teachers. I would question everything. Things didn't make sense to me. I felt like I was the black sheep of my family. I didn't fit in with people. I felt like I always felt awkward. I would always overanalyze every situation. I could walk into a room, and I'm pretty sure you guys could do this too, and you could almost like read everybody's mind and energy, and you just feel all of the energy of the room. So you're very hyper aware, you're very spiritually sensitive, you're very energetic, you have a lot of energy, but you don't like to waste that energy with people that have low vibration conversations. You like high vibrating things. Your mind wants to be stimulated. You probably like drinking coffee. You probably like energy drinks. You like stimulation. You probably have an addictive personality. These are some of the symptoms that I would start to realize was part of ADHD. And once I understood how to actually harness that energy and cultivate that energy and direct it into one idea, one thing, I started to gain traction really, really fast. So when it came to projects, for example, I would love to do everything. I wanted to do everything. I have so much ideas. I would start all these projects and never complete them. I would write books. I would start a YouTube channel. I started one 5 years ago. Then I burnt out. So I just started this one recently. I would get into e-commerce, drop shipping, crypto. I would try to learn so many different things instead of just focusing on one thing and seeing it all the way through. And that's what causes the lack and the burnout when you have ADHD, because you could be very highly successful, but you start a bunch of projects and never finish them. But if you learn how to master that energy, and I'm gonna tell you how to do it. Let's just jump right into it because I have so much on my mind. I'm hyperactive and I wanna get this message as clear as possible to you guys. But what you need to do to change this is you have to first stop identifying with someone who has ADHD and looking at it as a weakness, like a problem that you can't fit in. Because what you actually have, what you have to actually change that mindset about is that you have a superpower. You have the ability to hyper focus. You could focus on for long periods of time. Your brain is running way faster than a lot of other people, than the average man, the average woman. So when you understand this, and you just pick one lane, pick one idea, one thing that you want to get done, something that gives you that burning desire, whether that's a dream, a project, a business you want to start, an idea. Make that your number one priority and put everything else on the back burner. Direction and clarity is going to be your biggest drive when it comes to staying focused and creating the life that you want with someone with ADHD. Another thing you have to do is you have to understand how your brain operates. Your brain is going to want to pull you in all these different directions. So what you need to do on a daily basis is ground yourself. Take a 5 to 10 minute meditation practice and remember your goals. Wake up in the morning, don't look at your phone, don't scroll, don't watch a bunch of videos, because a lot of the time, I used to fall for this too, is I would try to learn so much. I always think I'm missing something. But we fall into this trap of thinking we need to learn more. There's something that's missing. But all that's missing for you on your path to success is you taking the action. You getting up and starting to take that step forward in the direction of where you want to go. Whether that's starting a YouTube channel, don't watch your views, don't watch how other people are doing it, don't worry about the algorithm. Stop studying all these different analytics and start hitting that record button and just creating the content. Same if you want to do TikTok or if you want to start a business. Take the actions daily that are going to get you one step closer and start moving that needle. Because we start to look everywhere else. We start trying to distract ourselves. And that's what they want you to do in this life. They want to medicate you. They want to distract you with all the stimulation. A lot of people actually probably have it more nowadays. And it's causing a lot of mental illness because there's so much stimulation. There's so much things that are trying to grab our attention. We live in an attention economy where advertisers, bloggers, YouTubers, content creator, everybody is battling for your attention. So you have to understand that where focus goes, energy flows. And if your focus is scattered, it's going to be hard for you to manifest the life that you want. So you have to understand that your superpower is your attention. And so that involves you just reminding yourself daily who you are, what is the mission, what is the plan, what do you really want to fulfill in your heart and in your mind, and just take action on it towards it every single day. Because someone with ADHD, you do not think like the regular person. You thrive in chaos. You can work with the messy situations and start putting pieces of the puzzle together. But you have to have the clarity. You have to understand the one main mission throughout all the noise and figure out, this is where I'm going. This is my destination. Another thing, don't engage in small talk or people that are just wasting your time. I used to think that I wasn't that social, but I'm very social when I'm intrigued or when I'm interested in the conversation. But a lot of the time people talk about nonsense and they just talk about gossip and social media and things that they see in celebrities, which it doesn't resonate with my soul because it's not part of my mission, it's not part of my purpose. So it's not that we can't engage with regular conversations or regular people, it's just we're not born to be regular. We need something that's going to elevate our mind and stimulate us and bring us to a higher level. So only engage in high level conversations, only watch high level content, things that are going to stimulate your mind, and then you need to take action. Things that you could use as part of your toolbox. You are a weapon and you need to cut through the noise so that you can achieve what you want to achieve in your life. ADHD is such a blessing, and you just have to frame your mind in that way because a lot of people think it's a curse. We are hyperactive. We are people that are doers. We are geniuses. Our mind could have all these brilliant ideas. We come up with some of the best innovations, the best creativity. And all we lack is piecing it together with the clarity. Once you understand how to solve all your problems when it comes to the hyper focus or the hyper awareness with ADHD, is understanding that you do not let your mind drift. There's a book called Outwitting the Devil by Napoleon Hill. It's a very good book, and it talks about drifters, and it talks about people and how the world and how the devil uses distractions to get you to drift off your path. There's so many ways they use it. There's so many tools, whether it's through media, TV, news, the internet, whether it's through distractions and addictions. They try to keep you stimulated and over control your mind. That's why the word government stands for mind control. If you look it up, government actually stands for mind control. And what do? They use fear. Fear is a good way about the economy, crypto's falling, the politics, all these fear tactics to keep you distracted from your purpose. Because when you are spiritually aligned, when you're spiritually gifted, when you have a higher purpose, you are meant to do big things, and they don't like that. They don't want you to wake up to your power. So if you're someone watching this with ADHD right now, understand that you're here for a reason. You're chosen. You don't fit in because you were born to stand out. And the way to use this superpower is to keep your focus and your energy on the goal, on the mission, on your purpose. Whatever you feel called to, make that your priority every single day. Because you have a battery pack, you have a boost, you have an extra engine in your mind and your energy that could take you so far, that could bring you to the moon. And they don't want you to know that secret. So whatever it is that you have out there, whatever dream you have, whatever goal you have, make sure you are taking action every single day. And if you do that, Watch how fast you become successful. People always think you're crazy until you make it happen. Don't tell people your plans because they're small-minded and they don't understand your level of consciousness, your level of awareness, your level of purpose, your hyperactivity. The vision God gave to you, He didn't give to other people. So you don't need to tell them what you're gonna do. You gotta believe it in your mind and clear out the noise, because they're gonna try to distract you and throw you off course. But I'm here to tell you that you are chosen, you're here for a higher purpose. And if you feel me, I want you to drop "I'm chosen" in the comments, like this video, and send it to another chosen friend that you know is going to the top. Because this is what we're here for. We're here on a mission to elevate our lives. And I'm building a community of like-minded people. So if you're on this journey, if you're on this spiritual path, the path to manifesting your dream life, to elevating your life, to learning about yourself and your gifts, and bringing yourself to a higher frequency, a higher vibration that people cannot reach you at, then follow me on this journey. Subscribe to my channel, because in life you have to separate to elevate. Separate from the ones who are trying to hold you down and keep you stuck. The ones who are trying to box you in. Because you're meant for bigger, better, and you're on this journey. And the road to the top could be lonely sometimes, and I feel you, I'm here. There's people out here, your vibe attracts your tribe. So, and as you start to share and you start to create and you start to put your focus into what your soul feels, you will start to attract the right people in your life. So if you have ADHD and you're watching this video, I'm here to let you know that you have a gift. Be grateful, because not everybody has it. You have this superpower and you can use it to your advantage, and you can use it to create your life and elevate your life and others around you. Sending you guys blessings, love, peace, and I'll see you guys in the next video.